The Ponce Real Estate Group is offering a tremendous opportunity to acquire an affordable light manufacturing property in San Pedro located next to the 110 freeway, and a good labor force in a qualified opportunity zone. The building had recent renovations and additions, making the total square footage of 3,253 including a storage area. The property has a large yard that could be used for a variety of businesses such as automotive, landscaping business, etc. This location has a daily traffic count of about 16,000 and about 54,000 from the freeway off-ramp. The Los Angeles industrial market is the center of the 2 billion square foot Southern California industrial market, the largest in the country by most measures. Current conditions in the market remain among the most favorable in history. Development of newer properties has long been constrained by the limited availability of land sites in L.A. County, making this property a good choice for its newer 2003 renovation and addition of second floor of offices with bathrooms and storage. Recent sales activity has been robust as institutional investors increased focus on industrial buildings relative to retail and office properties. Asset price growth during the past year has been among the strongest on record. The base case forecast calls for continued growth. For more information and a marketing package on this industrial property, please contact Frank Ponce at 310-503-4158 or Victoria Mixitkova at 424-301-0075.